Good morning everybody. In the previous day I have already completed exercise 6a and give some explanations about integers. Today I start exercise 6b. Exercise 6b. Compare the integers as which is greater, 0 or minus 7, 0, minus 6 or minus 2, minus 2, minus 4 or 7, 7, minus 8 or plus 8, plus 8, 12 or minus 5, 12, minus 14 or minus 1, minus 1, 18, minus 18 or 12, 12, h minus 15 or minus 14, minus 14, I minus 6 or minus 11, minus 6. Number 2. Compare the integers as which is smaller, minus 9 or 9, minus 9, b minus 15 or 15, minus 15, c minus 4 or 8, minus 4, d minus 13 or minus 16, minus 16, e minus 16 or 18, minus 16, f minus 8 or minus 7, minus 8, g minus 9 or minus 15, minus 15, minus 14 or minus 16, minus 16, I 0 or minus 3, minus 3. Okay. 3. Insert the correct symbols greater than or less than between the following numbers. 11, 6. 11 greater than 6 because 11 is greater to the 6. 14 greater than 5 because 14 is greater to the 5. Minus 12 less than 9 because minus 12 is smaller to the 9. 17 greater than minus 13 because 17 is greater to the 13. Minus 10, minus 18, minus 10 greater than minus 18 because minus 10 is greater to the minus 10, minus 18. Minus 89 less than 45 because minus 89 is smaller to the 45. 4. Write the following integers in descending order. Descending order means greater to smaller. Minus 4, minus 5, 5, minus 3, 9. 9 greater than 5, greater than 4, greater than minus 3, greater than minus 5. B. 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 7, 15. 15 greater than 8, greater than minus 7, greater than minus 10, greater than minus 12. C. Minus 12, minus 13, 12, minus 4, minus 10. 12 greater than minus 4, greater than minus 10, greater than minus 12, greater than minus 13. D. 15, minus 14, 20, minus 34, minus 25. 20 greater than 15, greater than minus 14, greater than minus 25, greater than minus 34. E. Minus 66, 39, 2, minus 5, minus 40. 39 greater than 2, greater than minus 5, greater than minus 40, greater than minus 66. F. 59, minus 38, 22, minus 18, 36. 59 greater than 36, greater than 22, greater than minus 18, greater than minus 38. 5. Arrange the following integers in ascending order. 17, minus 12, 6, 10, minus 5. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. That is minus 12, less than minus 5, less than 6, less than 10, less than 17. B. Minus 10, 19, minus 13, minus 7, 14. Answer minus 13, less than minus 10, less than minus 7, less than 14, less than 19. C. Minus 8, minus 12, 16, minus 17, minus 3. Answer minus 17, minus, less than minus 12, less than minus 8, less than minus 3, less than 16. D. Minus 11, 13, minus 14, minus 9, 10. Answer minus 14, less than minus 11, less than minus 9, less than 10, less than 13. E. Minus 24, 25, minus 12, 29, minus 50. Answer minus 50, less than minus 24, less than minus 12, less than 25, less than 29. F. Minus 21, minus 23, 24, minus 9, 15. Answer minus 23, less than minus 21, less than minus 9, less than 15, less than 24. Okay. G. The temperatures on 5 nights in the month of January in a hill station were minus 5, 1, minus 7, 2 and minus 10. Arrange the above temperature from greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest means 2 greater than 1, greater than minus 5, greater than minus 7, greater than minus 10. Homework, do question number 1 and 2 of exercise 6A at home. Now I start exercise 6C, that is find the value of each of the following. 22 plus 11, 33. B, minus 13 plus 12 plus 1, 1, that is 14 minus 13, 1. Minus 15 plus 13, 15 minus 13, minus 2. D, minus 30 plus 21 minus 9, minus 30 plus 21, 9. 30, before 30, the sign is minus, so the sign is minus. Minus 25 plus 12, that is minus 25 plus 12 minus 13. Bada sign minus, so 13. Minus 29 plus 21 minus is minus 29 plus 21, 8. Minus 8. Okay. 4. Find the values of each of the following. 12 plus minus 14, that is plus 15. 12 plus minus 14, bracket plus 15. 12 minus plus minus minus 14 plus 15. 12 plus 15 minus 14, that is 27 minus 14, 13 answer. B, 17 plus 16 plus minus 20. 17 plus 16 plus minus minus 20. Plus a minus a minus. So 17 plus 16 minus 20. 33 minus 20, 13. C, 18 plus minus 17 plus minus 60. 18 minus 17 minus 60. 18 minus 17 plus 60 minus common. 18 minus 77. So minus 59. So D, minus 12 plus minus 30 plus minus 23. Minus 12 minus plus minus minus 30 plus minus minus 23. So minus, tinoi minus. So 3 to 5. 3 to 5, 1, 6 minus 65. E, 11 plus minus 20 plus 23 plus minus 10 plus 60 plus minus 40 plus minus 23. 11 plus minus minus 20 plus 23 plus minus minus 10 plus 60 minus 40 minus 23. So 11 plus 23 plus 60 minus 20 minus 10 minus 40 minus 23. 11 plus 23 plus 60 minus common 20 plus 10 plus 40 plus 23. 11 plus 23 is 94 minus 93. So 1 answer. F, minus 18 plus 12 plus minus 22 plus minus 12 plus 70 plus minus 27. Minus 18 plus 12 minus 22 minus 12 plus 70 minus 27. 12 plus 70 minus 18 minus 22 minus 12 minus 27. 12 plus 27. 12 plus 70 minus common 18 plus 22 plus 12 plus 27. 82 minus 7 to 9 to 11, 19, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 79. So 3 answer. G, 20 plus minus 22 plus 24 plus minus 10 plus 30 plus minus 28. 20 minus 22 plus 24 minus 10 plus 30 minus 28. 20 plus 24 plus 30 plus. So 20 plus 24 plus 30 minus 22 minus 10 minus 28. 20 plus 24 plus 30 equal to 74 minus 22 common. 22 plus 10 plus 28, 60. 4, 14 answer. 5. Mrs. Mr. Kapoor has rupees 5,000 in his bank. He withdraws rupees 2,750. He debited a check for rupees 1,200. So 5,000 minus 2,750 minus 1,200. 5,000 minus 2,750 plus 1,200. So 5,000 minus 3,950. Rupees 1,050. At the end of the day, his balance is rupees 1,050. So you read the math in your book. And next, math 6. A mechanic charge you follow your book. A mechanic charge a customer rupees 450 for parts. He charged rupees 50 per hour and it took 4 hours to fix the car. How much was the bill? A mechanic charged a customer rupees 400. He charged rupees 50 per hour. He charged rupees 50 into 4 hours for 4 hours, that is rupees 200. So rupees 450 plus 50 into 4, 200. So rupees 650. Okay, that is Harvinder 7. Harvinder cuts 12 lawns every Saturday. He charges rupees 35 per loan. Two of the houses always give him a rupees 20 as a tip. How much will he earn in a month of 5 Saturdays? Harvinder charges rupees 35 per loan. He cuts 12 lawns every Saturday. Two houses give him rupees 20 per a tip. In 5 Saturdays, he will earn 35 into 12 plus 20 into 2 into 5. So 35 into 12, 420 plus 40 into 5, 460 into 5, that is rupees 5 6 the 33, 5 4 the 23. That he will earn rupees 2300 in a month of 5 Saturdays. Do chapters assessment to page 125 and worksheet page 127 at home. So, in the previous day I have already completed integers, explanation, introductory notes and chapter exercise 6A, exercise A. Today I complete 6B and 6C and I give also some homeworks and you also practice all these sums. This is totally new to you and you do your homework in your copy and school copy. And so today I complete exercise 6B and C, and so I have already completed chapter 6. Next day I start chapter 7 and be safe and keep yourself inside your house, and I hope that soon we will recover our bad days and we will come round our normalcy, and then when we get normalcy we will join our offline classes. So now you continue these classes. Okay, thank you.